Let's learn how to say toothache in Chinese. 牙疼 Please repeat after me. 牙疼牙疼牙疼 Let's say them faster. 牙疼牙疼牙疼 Therefore, I have a toothache is 我牙疼我牙疼我牙疼 Let's practice what we have learned so far. Please repeat after me. Review 复习复习 Ouch 哎呦哎呦 I have a headache 我头疼我头疼 I have a bellyache 我肚子疼我肚子疼 I have a stomachache 我胃疼我胃疼 I have a toothache 我牙疼我牙疼 I will spend lots of time and effort into making these videos. Please give me a thumb up or share. For previous lessons, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or Learn Chinese with Sabrina, No Boring Grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com.